eating time, guys. Tonight, we have the repeat of last night's dinner. Yung chicken and creamy sauce.
With the missing mushroom.
Pero dinagdagan namin tonight ng mushroom. Yan. Ayan, itong brown na to. Mushrooms. Tapos, tonight it's not with rice. We're having it with slushy.
Nice.
Mash. Yan ay combination ng potato, sweet potato, and pumpkin.
Fresh from the garden. A couple of weeks ago, months ago.
Yan. So, yan ang aming carbs for tonight. Yan ako. Kailangan talaga para-paraan para sa hindi nakakasawa yung mga inuulit-ulit nating ulam, di ba? More flavorful talaga kapag the next day na yung pagkain. Ano bang reheat? Yan. Nag-iba ng lasa ng konti dahil sa mushroom. Pero masarap pa rin. So we're not wasting food. You have to be creative. Medyo lumabsak lang yung yung mashed. Kasi frozen yung kamote, frozen yung kalabasa. Kaya nung nilaga na sila, naging siya, mushy masyado. Tapos nung minamash niya to, nilagyan pa niya ng milk. Did you? Milk or cream? Cream. All-purpose cream.
It was too runny, so I didn't want to put more milk. I used thick and cream.
Ang hindi lang frozen yung patatas. Yun lang ang diferensya sa mga ibang gulay. Hindi talaga sila maganda kapag frozen. Although mapipreserve mo sila ng medyo matagal, kaya lang kapag niluto mo na, hindi na siya ganoon ka ganda. Pero nandun pa rin yung nutrients niya. Tapos na yung aking asawa. Ako na lang natitira. So, guys, I'll see you next time. Tapusin ko tong dinner ko. Bye, God bless.
Very nice, baby. Thank you.